Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the largest and the dangerous trap or dungeon in Minecraft. So follow my steps. You will only need two things, some TNTs and a lava bucket. Make sure that you keep a 1 TNT gap between all these. Make as tall tower as you want. So my TNT tower is ready. Now I'm going to add some more TNTs to the base for max explosion. It's optional, you can add or you cannot. It's on you. But I am adding for the max explosion. Yeah, our tower is ready now fully for the explosion. Now just add one TNT in between of these and fill the gap, and then take the lava bucket. Then put lava on the mid block and watch the explosion. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, what an explosion. Man. Oh, see. What an explosion. So, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And also, I suggest you that please try this dungeon or trap in creative mode of Minecraft, because if you try this in survival mode, you will need very much TNTs. So this is my suggestion, but please like, share and subscribe.